Hey guys, what's up? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set up the Chronos 301 Next Solution extender, right? So first of all, you're gonna get your box. It's gonna look like this. Alright, you're gonna take the extender out of the box. Okay. So this is the actual device here. This is the main thing that you need, right? At the side here, you'll see on and off, reset, and on the next side, you don't really have to interfere with that because most likely it would come where it needs to be. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on by flipping this switch, right? Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it into your wall. Alright, so I didn't plug it into a wall, I actually plugged it into extension cord. Alright, so once it's connected like this, you will see a green light come on and stay on like it shows here. Next, I'm going to move to the PC and show you guys what's next in terms of what you need in order to connect this properly. Okay guys, so now that you have done the previous steps, which would be taking the item out of the box, putting it on, and plugging it into a wall, the next few steps will need to be done on a computer. Alright, now aside from it being done on a computer, you need to have Firefox installed, right, which is a specific web browser that is used in order to set up this. Now this will only really and truly have to be done once. You won't really have to do it again, right? So take steps and take it slowly. I'm explaining it as slow as possible so that you guys can take your time and get it done, right? So like I said, after plugging it in and everything, you're going to come to your computer. Now you need a computer for the first time. Alright, the next step would be you're going to need to download Firefox. If you guys don't know how to download Firefox, I'll leave a link to our next video in the description of this video that will show you how to download Firefox. Alright, but for now I'm just going to show you guys how to do the extender. So you're going to come to your Wi-Fi here and you're going to look for next. Alright, I don't know if it's going to be 74B318 or whatever it's going to be, but it's going to be next something. So just once you see next, you would already be familiar with the Wi-Fi networks that are in your area. So anything that you see out of the ordinary, which will be the one that you need to connect to. So you're going to connect it. It's going to ask you for a password. You're going to type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Alright, you're going to tap next and it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi extender. Alright, now that it's connected to the Wi-Fi extender, right, what I need you to do is it will take you to automatically to whatever browser that you usually use, which is Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You're going to copy the URL from here and you're going to open Firefox and you're going to paste the URL into Firefox and you're going to come here. Then you're going to tap in admin as the username and admin as the password and you're going to tap login. Right, now you're into the Wi-Fi extender. Right, now you're setting up now. So what you're gonna basically need to do here now is you're basically connecting the Wi-Fi extender to the internet service that you are trying to extend, and that's how it's gonna basically work. Alright, so you're gonna go on to repeater mode. you're going to tap whichever internet connection that you want to extend, which would be your normal internet connection. You're going to look for it here and you're going to tap one. Alright, so I'm going to do Kizika. I'm going to enter the password for Kizika, which is not the 1234567 password, but your password for your internet, right? Because remember, you're connecting the extender to your browser, right? Your internet at home, my bad. So I'm going to enter the password here. Alright, then what you're going to do next is you can choose to rename the extender itself, because the extender is going to basically stand as its own internet service. So you can choose to name it whatever you feel to name it, but I'm just going to leave it as Kizika Extended. Alright, and I'm going to tap save. From here now, it's basically going to do its thing, load, and it's going to automatically connect to the internet. So I'm going to show you guys what's going to take place. Alright, so let's just wait for it to load. Remember, you cannot do this on a phone for the first time. You need to do it on a computer, a PC for the first time. But once you do it once, you won't really need to do it again. Okay, now that is connected, you will see this come up here. We're having trouble finding us this site or whatever is the case. What you're going to do is you're going to go back into your Wi-Fi and you're going to look for Kizika or whatever you decided to name it. That's the network you're going to look for, and you're going to connect to that. Alright, and as you guys can see here, it now works. So now you're connected to the extender, which is the boosted signal. From there, that's it. Very simple. If you guys missed anything or you're not clear about anything, go back and look at this video again and follow these steps just as I said to do it. Alright, have a blessed day. Take care.